Hi, good afternoon. How you guys doing? My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me the social media oracle, and you are welcome to my show. So I'm struggling to play this thing. I don't really know how to play. It's been very hard. I've been trying to do this for 10 years, but you can't be an expert in everything. I'm an expert in social media ads, Facebook management, social media management, Instagram management, online reputation management, everything social media ads. I'm an expert in that. I need to be an expert in this. So go on. So as we were saying, today I want to talk about 5 things you need to do to have a perfect advert. Did you hear me? 5 things you need to do to have a perfect advert. So what are those steps you need to take so that when you make your advert would most probably convert those that you are trying to reach, rather than just get you likes, comments that don't turn into anything like a sale, right? So how do you really get those sales? That's what we're talking about in a few minutes. I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so as I was saying, what are the 5 things you need to do, right? 5 steps to a perfect advert. What I would do when I want to run an advert: 1, I have to explain what the problem is. What problem is my solution solving, all right? So I explain that problem. I call it problem awareness. Sometimes people might not know they have a problem. They might not know that there is a solution for that problem, okay? So I call it problem awareness. So I explain the problem, I bring it to their awareness, they recognize it, okay? Then, that's step number 1. Then step number 2, I explain the solution. I explain why the solution works. I explain why we have the best solution, okay? Then, step 3. In step 3, very simple. I've explained the problem. I've explained the solution that we are bringing, all right? I try to interest them, all right, with the solution, why that solution is important for them and why they need to take advantage now, all right? So that's what I do in the 3rd step. In the 4th step, what I would do is I would get people, all right, that have used that system before, people that have been able to provide those kind of services to, or those solutions to, and they got results. I will tell them about those stories. Testimonials, I tell them about the testimonials, all right? People that we've given these solutions to and the kind of results they've gotten. I tell you about all the different results, all right? Now, it helps them see people that have used your service and are happy with it, all right? People would rather use something when they know other people who have used it, or they can point to other people who have used it. Do you understand? So that's how these things work, all right? Then, the next thing I do is I ask them to take action. I tell them, click here, click that button, send me a mail, send me a WhatsApp message. I ask them to do all these beautiful things, okay? You have to tell people where to go. You have to tell people how to take advantage of them. So I ask them to take action, okay? Now, when I ask them to take action, one of the things I also do, if it is possible, to give them a little free something. Okay, so if I have a free ebook, I have a free video, or there's a free teaching, or I have a free webinar coming up as regards that, I also tell them about it. So they take action, they decide to take part in the webinar. After the webinar, they were most likely going to take advantage of the solutions I'm providing. Okay, so can you see the 5 steps? 1, problem awareness. 2, I interest them with the solutions that can solve the problem already mentioned. Right? 3, I increase their desire by showing them other people who have taken advantage, okay, and how it has worked for those people. I show them the testimonies, I show them the reviews, I show them all the things, that people have said about the happy solution, right? 4, I decide to invite them to take action. What is the action they want to take as regards it? Send me a mail, send me a message. 5, I give them a little free something, all right? All of this just to encourage them to take advantage of what I'm offering. Now, I'm going to give you a 6th step. That 6th step is what I call a bonus step. Now, this is what happens. With all these things that you have done, still people might not take action. They feel, okay, well, to be available tomorrow, I can do it tomorrow. Oh, okay, well, to be available next tomorrow, I can do it next tomorrow. Then I add a little something. This thing is only available for the next 48 hours. Time bound. Now, that will encourage them to take action within the period. So, they have followed all those steps. They are interested in everything, but they want to take their time. They want to think about it. All right? Sometimes when they think about it, they might think about another client. They might think about another person. Do you understand? But you want to make sure you close that deal as fast as possible. So what do? You put a time. All right? Add some time to it. This thing will only available in the next 48 hours. It will be available for the next 24 hours. It will be available for 1 week. All right? Remember to remind them every week, though, that it's still available. All right? So, try these steps. If it doesn't work, then we need to go and wash your head in one river. And your art will never work. Alright? So thank you guys for joining me. My name is Victor Anyanwu. As I said, they call me the social media oracle. I do social media ads, I do social media management, I do everything social media. So if you need a hand along as a social media, just ask me. Okay? You want your page managed, you need help with ads, just ask me. Okay? So my phone number is 234-817710 8267. 234-817710 8267. You can follow me across all social media handles. I am at the Oracle VA, at THEORACLEVA. Alright? Follow me, say hi, I'll follow you back too. And please subscribe to this video so that when next I share another video, you won't be missing out. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Boom.